Imagine converting any type of video that you have into an anime style video. Or even better, convert yourself into a 3D cartoon like this. That is already pretty cool, but what if I put myself into a GTA style character? Literally, the possibilities with this new AI tool are endless, and I'm gonna show you exactly what you can do with it and why it is so great. So imagine this, you own a football page and you want to post football clips of your favorite footballers. Take Cristiano Ronaldo, for example. You want to post his bicycle highlight kick on your channel. What will happen is it will get views, but then boom, you will get that copyright strike. With this, you can put your clips into this AI, create a 3D cartoon or any style of anime that you like, and then you can monetize all of that content. The same goes for any type of movie clip that you like. For example, take this scene from Breaking Bad. I can literally post this because it is a 3D cartoon. Or also I can take clips from The Matrix or even from the Titanic. These scenes can all be posted online because all of this has been generated with AI. Literally, if you do not see the importance of this tool, I'm not sure what to do. I will explain exactly how this works, how you can get started with this, and why this is so great. So first up, I will show you how to animate your videos into cartoons. Then I'm gonna show you how you can generate images with this. I will show you how to animate your images, and I will also show you how to turn cartoons into real life humans. So literally the possibilities are endless with this, and now let's get started. First we go to Google and then we type in Domo AI app. Now, don't click on this site, click on the second site that says domoai.app, and this is the site that you want to be on. We click on join or Discord because that's where the tool is hosted. So join the Discord. Now, what this will do is it will ask you a bunch of questions. It will ask you to confirm it. And then once you have confirmed it, you're basically in the Domo AI app. So I already did that, and this is what it looks like. Let me give you a brief walkthrough of how you can get started with this. So first of all, we have all of these different tabs. You can just go through it, see what works, see kind of like the styles, but I will just explain to you so you don't have to. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down to generate, and here you want to scroll down to generate video. You can choose any one that you'd like. For example, let's do this one. Now here we can see all the public generations of all the people that have been using this, which can be quite a problem if you want to post something privately. So for example, with this clip, everyone can see it and also download it. So if you want to do it privately, then this is what you should do. So let's go over to the bottom left corner. We click on add a server. Here we create our own server for me and my friends. Then we give it a name and we name it Domo server private, for example. Now we click on create, and now we have created our very own server. What we do then is we go back to Domo AI, we click on the Domo AI icon, then we click on add app. Here we click on our server, so I'm gonna do the Domo server private, and then we hit continue, and then we have Domo AI to our server. Yeah, just gotta make sure I'm human. So here we have our private Domo AI server. Now we can start generating our first videos. So there are so many different styles of videos that you can do. You can generate any type from like pixel to paper art to GTA to Japanese anime. You can do anything you want with this. I'm just gonna show you my favorites and let me show you how you can generate it with this prompt. So first we type in / on our keyboard. Then we have a bunch of different prompts that we can use. I'm gonna do the video one because we want to turn video into a different video. Now here we're gonna attach a file. I already have my files in here. So let's for example do this weird dude dancing. So this is the original clip. Yeah, it looks pretty weird, right? Let me just put it into the AI. And now we're gonna give it a prompt, man dancing. I just describe what the person is doing. You can be very specific if you use a different type of prompt, but I will show you how that works in a little bit. So we could just gonna hit enter. Now we can select the style that we like. So here we can select any type of style. I'm gonna do for this one, the Japanese anime style. And here we can select if we want to refer to the source more. I always do that for these type of videos. And then what type of generator we want to use. Always use the fastest one so you don't have to wait a while. Now this usually takes a few minutes, so I will show you the results afterwards. this works very good for when you have a lot of movement on the screen, for example, while you're doing dancing, or when you do something like with nature, or anything like that. It doesn't work that great for people that are talking. Facial expressions, the eyes, the mouth that is moving, doesn't look that good. So now let me generate a nature clip for you to see what it looks like. So I'm importing this drone shot of the mountain, and I'm gonna do a different style this time. So for this, I will be doing the Chinese ink painting. So let's make it start. And now we just have to wait on that as well. Keep in mind this tool is free to use, but if you want to do more with it, then you need to have a more premium plan. And the way you do that is as follows. First of all, click on info, where you can see what your current plan is. So if I click on this, then we can see like how many credits I have left. Then let's say you run out of credits, then you can click on billing, or you can click on subscribe. And then this will bring you over to the subscribe page. So you just click on billing. We have these 3 different plans. For example, with the pro plan, you get 3000 credits per month, fast mode. And yeah, this all depends on how many credits you need. In my opinion, I believe it takes like 20 or like, what did they say? 500 images. Yeah, you get like 30 videos from 500 credits. So probably that might be enough for you. I just went with the basic plan. What you do is you click on billing. Then you visit the site. Then that brings you over to a Stripe website where you can purchase the plan, and then it will automatically be on your account. Now, here's a common issue that I see people having a lot. And let me actually show you the fix for this. So the issue that I have is when I want to use a video, for example, I have this dude surfing. I drag it over, then I say like dude surfing. Now the file gets too big. And that is the issue with Discord. The file for this is like 25 MB. That's the maximum file size. And here comes in a tool that will actually help you compress it without losing any quality. So the tool that I'm talking about is called Wondershare Uni Converter. If you go over to their website, you can actually download this tool, and I already have it installed. What you can do then is you can go to the tool itself, and here we can use the compressor. And what this will do is it will compress the video without losing any quality. So I have my clip and I'm gonna click on add. Then I'm gonna select the clip that I have. So I have this Domo AI tutorial. Then I have my dude surfing. And as you can see, this is 86 MB. Now we load it in. And here we click on compress, and we need it to be like 25 MB or less. So I'm actually gonna compress it by like 50%. Now we're gonna hit compress, and this goes super fast. You will be done in no time. And now we can find our file in this file section right there, and we have our dude surfing. So the quality will be very similar. It will still be looking very good. And now we can use that in Domo AI. Now, if you want to use Wondershare Uni Converter for yourself, then I will leave the link for that in the description down below. Here you can get it yourself. And this is literally a lifesaver to me. So here I have my video that has been created with Uni Converter. I'm gonna put it in, enter in a prompt, man surfing. And now I can also make this into any style cartoon. Besides turning videos into other type of video cartoons, you can actually also animate images with this. And this is actually way better than any other tool that I've ever tried out. So let me show you how this works. First of all, I have an image. Let me show you. We click on animate. So animate turns any image into a video. Then I have this image of this car right here. Like, look at this supercar that I generated with ChatGPT. And it is like driving on the road. I want to make it drive. So I'm gonna drag it in. Now I'm gonna press enter. You don't have to enter in any prompt. And here you can select what kind of intensity you want to have. So I'm gonna do mid. And now our image will start generating with AI. So that's awesome, right? But it doesn't just work for cars. It also works for things like waterfalls and any other type of image that you can imagine that you want to have movement on there. Now, that's not all. We can also make it generate images for us. And if we type in slash again, then we can click on gen. And here we can generate literally anything we want. So for example, let's generate a rainbow. Hyper realistic image of a rainbow above a city. Here it gives us 4 different options for which one we like the most. And then if you like one, for example, let's do the top left one right here. Then we click on that one and then it will generate it in a higher scale. So then you can use that for yourself. The last thing that I want to show you, which I found pretty funny, is that you can also turn cartoons into real life humans. Now, I took this guy from Pokemon and here we have him on the right side. And then this is what he turned into once I put him into Domo. So the way that you do that is you click on slash and then you click on real. And here you enter in your image. So I have my image right here. We turn it in, then we click enter, and then that will literally let you generate it. And then you have to wait a little. And I actually got like these 4 versions. And then I like this one the most, so I used that one and now it starts making it bigger. One pretty powerful way to turn your video into anything else is with the Fusion Pro style. And this is more prompt based. So take a look at this, for example. We have someone dancing and then you can turn it into a Greek sculpture or into a robot or anything that you'd like. Now, let me show you how you do that. So if we head over to our Discord, we click on our video, then we enter in the video that we have. So let's do, for example, this clip of me, and then we give it a prompt. So we do for this a Greek god speaking into a microphone. Now here we have to select Fusion Style V1, and this will go off more of your prompt. So now we click on start and here's what it looks like. Short form content agencies are doomed to fail unless you make this transition. Doing shorts alone. I will leave the link for Domo AI and Uniconverter in the description down below. And check the video that's on the screen right now if you want to see more about how you can use AI to generate your videos.